been operating in this area since 2019, I believe, and we service roughly 25 to 35 mile radius. We had to scale every truck in, scale every truck out, and everything was manual. Today's workforce, it's harder and harder to find people that are willing to do those tasks and get them in a place to where they want to stay, they want to come to work, and they want to be successful. We had two batch blenders and 2 loaders, so took 2 guys to load each of those, and it's constantly on the move. As growers are waiting, it was long days, man. It was tough. Everybody worked their tail off to get the job done. Load times were long. It'd take us somewhere around 45 to 55 minutes to load a 20-ton truck. Some of the challenges that we faced at the old facility would be human error, really. Human error, and it was largely labor intensive. We obviously went through a few different vendors to vet out what we actually wanted here at the new facility. We wanted to make sure that we got it right the first time, rather than saying, dang, I wish we would have went another route. The controls package and all of the automation here at this site has really generated a lot of customer interest. It's really piqued the growing community quite a bit around here, simply because it's the only of its kind. We spent the extra money, we went the extra mile to get automation and be on the cutting edge rather than already be behind before we start. When we came to the Sackett-Waconia EAI system, it was keyed up and teed up, ready to roll for what we needed. With the integration of automation here at the new facility, we can slightly reduce some of that needed labor, as well as physical fatigue on the employees as well. Once we added Sackett-Waconia and easy automation here at the new facility, we alleviated some of those pressures because we don't have to run the scales up with the loader. Each individual doesn't have to worry about, I can only put so much AMS in, I can only put so much potash in. Did I grab the right product?
The best part about having a tablet or an HMI screen would be not being locked down to one place. I can be in the loader and run the whole program off of the screen, or I can run the inbound, I can run what's coming in, or run the chute. I can just run anything from anywhere in the barn.
Now all the loader operator has to do, keep these bins full, keep them ready to go. The automation software does the rest, pulls the exact amount out, gets the load right the first time, and there's no mistakes along the way.
The new Daltmeyer system for the liquid fertilizer, it keeps a way better track of your gallons as it's running through the pipe, and it's a more accurate tally of what's being pushed through and into the truck.
We can load a truck here in probably 20 minutes. If all the bins are full and they're all topped off, not a lot of time to get something loaded, and it's always accurate. It's within 5 pounds each product. Give or take, but it's accurate and it's fast.
And it's also not a very hard learning curve. You can learn just about how to run the whole system in maybe a week.
It's pretty seamless. There's no glitches. There's nothing that's saying, man, this is kind of clunky the way they integrated this.
One time we couldn't get any product and it just kept cycling and cycling, and so I called them up, and 5 minutes, we got it back running again.
Easy Automation offers a great support line. They've been through the ranks before. They understand where the issues are going to be, and basically they set us up for success rather than mulling through it and wishing we had gone a different route.